If walking hurts your knees, this might be the safest option. If you're over 50 and every step feels painful, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you why Tai Chi walking may be one of the safest ways to move, even with bad knees. Real-life issues. For many adults over 50, knee pain becomes the #1 reason they stop exercising. Maybe you've been told, don't walk too much, avoid stairs. Your knees are worn out, and slowly, movement disappears from daily life. But here's the problem. Less movement often makes knee pain worse, not better. The key question is not, should I move or not? The real question is, how can I move without damaging my knees? That's where Tai Chi walking comes in. What is Tai Chi walking? Tai Chi walking is not regular walking. There's no rushing, no long strides, no pounding steps. Instead, Tai Chi walking focuses on slow, controlled steps, gentle weight shifting, upright posture, relaxed knees and hips. Every movement is intentional. And that's exactly why it can be so knee-friendly. Why? Regular walking can hurt bad knees. Let's talk honestly. Regular walking often includes hard heel strikes, sudden weight transfer, locked knees, long, fast steps. For aging joints, this creates increased joint compression, stress on cartilage, irritation of already sensitive knees, especially if you have arthritis, previous knee injuries, weak surrounding muscles. Pain doesn't come from walking itself. It comes from how the body moves while walking. Why Tai Chi walking is different. Reason #1, slow weight shifting. Most knee strain happens when weight moves too fast. Tai Chi walking teaches you to shift weight gradually. Feel both feet on the ground. Avoid sudden pressure on one knee. This gives your joints time to adapt. Reason #2, soft knees, not locked knees. Locked knees increase pressure. In Tai Chi walking, knees stay slightly bent. Muscles support the joint. Joints are never jammed. This reduces compression and irritation. Reason #3, stronger support muscles. Tai Chi walking gently strengthens thigh muscles, hip stabilizers, calf and ankle muscles. Stronger muscles equals less load directly on the knee joint. Reason #4, upright posture reduces knee stress. Slouching shifts weight forward. Tai Chi posture keeps spine tall, weight centered, hips aligned. Better alignment means less knee pressure with every step. Is Tai Chi walking safe for everyone with bad knees? This is important. Tai Chi walking is gentle, but it must be done correctly. It's generally safe for people with mild to moderate knee pain, arthritis, knee stiffness, fear of falling. However, you should move slowly. Keep steps short. Stop before pain increases. Practice near a wall or chair if needed. Pain should never increase during practice. Beginner safety tips. If you're new or worried about your knees, follow these rules. Start small. 5 minutes is enough at first. Short steps only. Never force long strides. Move slowly. Speed is not the goal. Stay relaxed. Tension increases pain. Use support. A wall or chair nearby builds confidence. What science says research consistently shows that Tai Chi improves balance, reduces joint pain, increases leg strength, lowers fall risk. Medical organizations often recommend Tai Chi for arthritis, joint health, safe movement in older adults because it trains the body without impact. The mental side of knee pain. Knee pain isn't just physical. Many adults over 50 fear making it worse, avoid movement, lose confidence. Tai Chi Walking rebuilds trust in your body. You learn, I can move safely again. That confidence alone changes everything. Hope and encouragement. If walking hurts your knees after 50, it doesn't mean movement is over. It means you need a smarter way to move. Tai Chi Walking offers gentle steps, controlled movement, joint protection, confidence. Move slowly. Stay relaxed. Listen to your body. If you'd like to practice safely, step by step, explore our Tai Chi Walking playlist for seniors. These routines are designed specifically for bad knees, balance issues, adults over 50. Thank you for walking with me today. We'll take the next step together, safely.